Good morning, Corpus Christi. This was our view along SPID from our tower cam. It is a time lapse, so those cars aren't speeding, and the lightning wasn't quite that frequent, but we had a lot of lightning. You may have woken up to this. Heavy rainfall picking up. This is round 2 that moved through overnight. We are now seeing round 3 leave the area as we speak. So we've got the heaviest rainfall through Kennedy County, where there was a severe thunderstorm warning that was allowed to expire on time at 6 a.m. We continue to see severe thunderstorm warnings as the storm tracks further to the south into the Rio Grande Valley. But overall, we are clearing out across the coastal bend. Notice we've got some lightning still, especially across portions of Refugio County and into Aransas County. But we also are tracking a few stragglers that may bring a couple more heavy downpours. Right now, Georgia West is starting to see some of that rain. Otherwise, we're drying out. This is our main line of storms moving through. In terms of watches or warnings, we just have a marine warning in place until 7 a.m. for Baffin Bay and portions of the Laguna Madre up toward about Corpus Christi Bay, and a small craft advisory will continue through about 2 p.m. We have had a couple of reports as these storms move through in Refugio. The sheriff's office did report a downed tree, a transformer that blew up, and a fire, but we did hear that that fire was put out due in part to the rain that moved through. Additionally, in Corpus Christi, Jalissa has been keeping an eye on this area where traffic lights are out. So dark conditions, that's at Saratoga and Weber. Here's a look at our max wind speeds since midnight. 55-mile-per-hour wind speed there in Alice. Rockport picking up the strongest wind at 59 miles per hour. Falfurrias 38 miles per hour, 45 through Corpus Christi. We're still dealing with some strong wind gusts. Notice the wind has shifted back out of the east, and we're starting to see the return, or the try to return to southeast wind. 38 miles per hour is your current wind gust there in Robstown. This is on the backside of the system as we're waiting the arrival of a cold front. That's what's up next. The rain has the storms have brought a lot of rainfall to the area. Alice nearing 2 inches since midnight. They're at 1.81 inches. Corpus Christi over 1¼ of an inch. Similar conditions through the Naval Air Station. So this pocket right through McMullen County, Live Oak, and then into portions of Jim Wells, Nueces County, Claiborne County. That's where we saw the most rain this morning. And this is our radar estimated rainfall total since Saturday. Look at that. We're getting into the 4 or 5 inch range into Claiborne County, portions of Jim Wells. So this is some much needed and much appreciated rainfall when it comes to our drought conditions. Even through a watershed, we're picking up at least an inch of rain, but some pockets of a ½ an inch of rain, but other pockets up to 2-3 inches of rain through the watershed. So this is going to be very beneficial rainfall for the region and even into not only the watershed, but into the coastal bend. However, we are heading into a drier period now once again as a cold front moves through the area. That's why our winds are going to kind of be variable throughout the day. Once this cold front moves through, I want to point out the dew point in the lower 60s on Thursday. We do get back up into the upper 60s by Friday, and then we're dealing with 70s returning by Saturday. So here's what that means for you looking ahead. Heat index values. Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, some of the highest heat index values. But for now, we're going to keep conditions on the cooler side with a heat index around 85 today, 96 tomorrow in your 7-day forecast. Here's a look at what you can expect. Windy conditions do pick up Sunday and Monday. Saturday is humid, that's for sure. And then not too windy on Friday. Drier conditions tomorrow. Barbie, John Thomas.